So let us go for drawing the arc here. Okay. What I'll do, okay, I'll just drop a line from here to here. Okay. Now I'll go for one more line, because I need to get an arc center point here. Okay. Now you just divide this portion and go for snapping. Okay, midpoint. Now select here. Sorry, this has to be, this line has to touch this portion. Right. Now we'll just join a line here. Okay. Now we take a line from midpoint and just draw. Go for perpendicular option, select it. Need to check angle here. So give me 99. Okay. So once again I will try here. Zoom closer if you are getting difficulty. Okay, snap to midpoint. Just draw a line. Okay. Then you go for perpendicular. Don't know what's the reason. It's given a perpendicular. Let us check. Right. Extend. Sorry. Line has to be drawn from the chamfer end point. Okay. Then you draw a line. Perpendicular exact. Now extend. Now go for arc by center point. Pick a point. Then draw an arc here. Okay. Extend this arc on another side. Okay. Then trim unwanted portion. Now once you got the arc, you can just copy the downside. I will go for move. Okay. Move. I'll select it. You just highlight here copy option. Now snap to midpoint and drop down to end point. Okay. So you are getting some difference. Don't bother about that difference. I use connect option. Right. You get a little bit difference here because of the accuracy. Now we can draw these two arcs, similar arcs on this side, on bolt head also. So now we'll draw thread portion in top view. It's the same. Now go for offset command. Now 0.9 divided, let us go for 0.05 into 25. Okay. Offset distance single. Select it. Place it on downside. Select it. Place it on upside. Now use extend command. Then trim unwanted portion. Now you need to change the line type here. Select these two lines. Make it a 0.5, then it is a hidden. So once the diagram is completed, you can just erase all reference lines. Now this is what view across flats. You need to draw two more arcs here. So instead of drawing, I'll just go for mirror option here. Mirror, hold on control key, okay, select multiples, leave it. Now you snap to midpoint because exactly you want to make a mirror with reference to the midpoint. Okay. I think you got now. Now this is what the nut now we'll go for chamfer. Chamfer is here. Provide distance. It is what 0.1d. That is what 2.5 mm. Sorry. Distance is 2.5. 2.5. Select horizontal line. Now we provide major dimensions. Provide major dimensions. So now this completes 3 views of hexagonal headed bolt nut assembly. Now you want to add, if you want to add a washer, now you can place washer in touch with either a nut or in touch with a bolt head, not somewhere. Okay. Now what is the diameter? Diameter is what 2d plus 3 mm you can take, or 1.5 mm you can take. I'll go for offset. Now distance is 0.75. I'll go for 2d plus 3 mm here. Okay. Offset. Distance is 1.5. I'll go for single. I'll select it. Place it outside. Make this as a thicker one. Make this as a thicker one, right? Okay. Now, what is the thickness of washer? consider it as a 0.15 times of diameter. Then if you calculate 1.5, sorry, 0.15, approximately we are going to get a 3 mm. Now to get the washer on position, now this is the quadrant point. We just drop here. Quadrant point, we just drop here. Now what is the thickness? 0.15 into 25, that is 3.75. Select single, place it on right side. Now extend. Now trim unwanted portion. Now this is what washer. So you need to leave 1 mm inside as a free space for easy rotation purpose. Now what I'll do, I'll go for offset. I'll take a 0.5 mm. Okay. Single. I will select this core diameter. I will place it upside. Select this core diameter. I will place it downside. Now trim unwanted portion here. Now make these two lines as a hidden one, because these lines are not visible, those are hidden. Now provide major dimensions. Thank you. Now to get it in top view, just select all these lines, hold Control and select multiple lines. Okay. Now select move option here with copy. Okay. Then select this as a center point and we place exactly perpendicular. Copy these two lines again. Now it is difficult to get these smaller objects because if the snapping point is entirely different, you will get a little bit confusion. As I said, you need to make a more practice on this too. Now you just write naming. Now this is what view across corners. Now this is what view across flat surfaces.